With Dolby Audio and an ultra-lightweight design including Shokz Joint Arc technology for maximum comfort, the Shokz Open Dots One are one of the most comfortable earbuds I've ever used, and they also sound great, so let's check out what these things can do. So here we have the Open Dots One from Shokz, a new earbud line from Shokz that feature a new clip-on design for a comfortable yet secure fit. So as you can see, they're tiny, and they're also super lightweight, coming in at just 6.5 grams, and the Shokz Joint Arc design makes them fit securely on your ear while still being comfortable, and you simply clip them onto your ears like this, and they gently hold around your ear to stop them from moving around. When you first put them on, you can feel that gentle contact, but it still feels comfortable thanks to a soft silicone and flexible titanium alloy. But after a few minutes I find I don't feel them there at all, and I wouldn't even notice they were on. The flexible titanium alloy is also designed to fit all ear shapes, and mine are on the larger side and they still fit perfectly, and if I shake my head around you can see they still hold in place. Now the earbuds feature dual 11.8mm drivers with high sensitivity to deliver the power of a 16mm speaker, and they also feature Dolby Audio as well as Bassphere and Open Bass 2 technology to deliver deep textured bass. Now for the audio quality I was very impressed, especially at the lower end. We get clean mids with crisp highs and some nice low frequency bass that really stands out compared to some other open ear headphones I've used. And thanks to Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, we get lightning fast and stable connection. It's important to note though that by nature of the open design, you're not going to get that deep thumping bass in your ear from open ear headphones, but their Open Bass 2 technology on top of the Bassphere really does a good job at producing the bass in a pleasant way, while still giving you the safety of open ear and being able to hear the outside world around you. Now I like just a little bit of bass to stop the music feeling empty, and I found with their included bass equalizer it was literally the perfect setup for me right out of the box. They also feature Shokz direct pitch technology, and this uses reverse sound waves to optimize the distance and angle between the sound and the ear. And put in simple terms, it means that the sound is going into your ear instead of away from it, and it reduces sound leakage so other people can't hear your music. Now if we increase the volume, we also retain the quality without distortion, and they go far louder than I would ever need them to go. Even while out jogging, which is when I tend to have my music the loudest, I tend to sit around 75% volume. And for me, these are great running headphones because when you have them loud, you still get nice clear music that you want, but should there be any danger from around you, then you can still hear the outside world. Now they're also IP54 water resistant, which means that you don't have to worry about a bit of rain. And to control your music via the earbuds, we can squeeze the edges twice to play or pause. You can single tap to answer or end a call, and if you hold each end for 2 seconds, it will increase or decrease the volume, or if someone's ringing you, it will reject the phone call. Taking phone calls with these also delivers a nice clear audio from the phone call, and I had no complaints from the person on the other end thanks to the AI algorithm that cancels out the ambient noises. The Open Dots One also provide 40 hours of listening on a full charge, and that's made up of 10 hours of listening from the earbuds themselves, which is pretty impressive considering its closest competitors like the Soundcore Aero Clip and Huawei's Free Clip only offer 8 hours. And then we've also got 30 hours extra provided by the charging case, and 10 minutes of the earbuds in the charging case is going to provide 2 hours of listening time. We even have wireless charging for the charging case, as well as a USB-C port on the bottom. Now with the Open Dots One, you can just pair the earbuds and start listening, but the Shokz application also provides a lot more customization to tailor the sound to your own preferences. On the home screen, you can see it shows me the Open Dots One, it shows me the battery level of each earbud and also the battery level of the case. Then below that, we've got a toggle to enable or disable Dolby Audio. Next, we have different EQ modes to choose from, and as I said earlier, I tend to use the bass EQ as that's my favorite. Then we've also got custom, and this opens up a 5-band equalizer that you can fine-tune to your exact listening preference. Now further down, we can enable multi-point pairing for those of you that are going to use the Open Dots One on multiple devices. We can customize the touch controls we discussed earlier, and you can even set a custom control for voice assistant. And if you've lost either of the earbuds but they're still connected, Find My Earbuds is going to make them ping as loud as they can so you can figure out where they are. Now, Smart Detection automatically plays the music when you put them on and then pauses when you take them off. And this feature works really efficiently, so I've left this on. Then we've also got the toggle to enable or disable the noise cancelling mic for your phone calls. Now under settings, we've got plenty of help and about sections, as well as all of the settings we just covered. Now when it comes to the unboxing, if we go ahead and tear off the tab, open up the box, you can see we've first got the charging case with the Open Dots One already inside it. Next, we've got the manuals and the serial number card, followed by a USB-C cable for charging. Now overall, I'm really impressed with the Open Dots One. They're comfortable, they sound great, and the ability to hear the outside world on top of great sounding audio just means that they're suitable for any activity, whether that's working, sports activities, or even just going for a walk. Now for those of you that want to check them out, of course, I've placed a link down in the description below, so you can go ahead and grab yours today. And hopefully I've covered everything in today's video, but if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.